In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Crypto.com. To do this, first just go and open up Revolut and then go and click on crypto in the bottom. From here, click send and then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer over to Crypto.com, so I use Bitcoin. Then you will see something like this, so you need to enter a wallet address and a wallet or exchange. Now first just go and click wallet or exchange. And then from there under exchange, select Crypto.com. Then after doing that, you will need to find your wallet address for the cryptocurrency and network you selected. So you can see that at the top for me it's Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. So then just go and open up the Crypto.com app and from the home screen click deposit and select deposit crypto. Now here search for the same cryptocurrency, so in this case Bitcoin. And then from there select the network that you also have on Revolut, which in my case is also Bitcoin. Then you will get your wallet address, so go ahead and copy that. And then simply paste that in the wallet address section. Now after entering all of that, click save. And then here you can then choose how much you want to send. And then you may need to enter a verification code to verify that it's actually you sending it. And after doing that, you will then have successfully transferred the crypto to your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.